Imagine a world where the Sahara Desert, the largest hot desert on Earth, is transformed into a massive solar farm. More energy falls on the Sahara in just 6 hours than the entire world consumes in a year. What if we could harness this immense power and shift towards a greener and more sustainable future? In this video, we'll explore the possibilities of covering the Sahara with solar panels and the impact it could have on our planet. The Sahara Desert is a prime location for solar energy production. It receives over 3,600 hours of sunlight each year, making it the sunniest spot on Earth. Its immense size, nearly equivalent to China, opens up endless opportunities to capture the sun's energy. To grasp the potential of solar energy in the Sahara, we can look at the Noor Ouarzazate solar power station in Morocco. It's the largest concentrated solar power plant globally, covering 25 square kilometers. Once operational, it will generate 582 megawatts of electricity, catering to nearly 38 of Morocco's annual power needs. But what if we think bigger? Enter the Desertec project, envisioning a series of massive solar farms surrounding the Sahara and stretching into the Middle East. This ambitious plan aims to provide electricity for entire regions, including Africa and the Middle East, while exporting surplus power to Europe. Assuming we covered the entire Sahara with solar panels, it could produce a staggering 1.3 million terawatt-hours of electricity annually. To put that into perspective, it's more than 7 times the energy consumed by the entire human population in 2019. However, covering the Sahara entirely with solar panels presents significant challenges. The lack of infrastructure in the desert makes transporting and installing billions of solar panels an immense task. Moreover, such an extensive project could have unforeseen environmental consequences. Technical challenges. There are a number of technical challenges that would need to be overcome in order to cover the Sahara entirely with solar panels. For instance, the panels would need to be able to withstand the harsh conditions of the desert, such as extreme heat and sandstorms. Solar panels in the Sahara Desert are susceptible to damage from desert sand. The sand can scratch the panels, block the sunlight, and even coat the panels with a layer of dust that can reduce their efficiency. Despite the challenges, there are potential benefits to covering the Sahara entirely with solar panels. It could provide a significant amount of clean energy and help to reduce greenhouse gas emissions. However, it is important to weigh the potential benefits against the challenges before making a decision about whether or not to pursue such a project. The lack of infrastructure in the desert makes transporting and installing billions of solar panels an immense task. The Sahara Desert is a vast and sparsely populated region. There are no roads or railways that would allow for easy transportation of solar panels to the desert. The panels would also need to be installed in remote areas, which would be difficult and expensive. Such an extensive project could have unforeseen environmental consequences. Covering the Sahara entirely with solar panels could change the albedo of the desert, affecting the local climate. The Sahara Desert has a high albedo, meaning it reflects a lot of sunlight. Covering the desert with solar panels would reduce the albedo, potentially causing the desert to heat up. This could lead to changes in the local climate, such as more frequent droughts and heat waves. The cost of covering the Sahara entirely with solar panels would be astronomical. It is estimated that it would cost trillions of dollars to build and maintain such a project. This cost would need to be weighed against the potential benefits of the project before it could be undertaken. Instead of covering the entire Sahara, we can focus on more realistic and equally effective solutions. By utilizing solar panels in areas with ample sunlight, such as the Sahara's perimeter and other sunny regions worldwide, we can still generate massive amounts of clean energy. Transitioning to solar energy has the potential to revolutionize our civilization. Embracing distributed solar power across different locations can meet the world's electricity needs while reducing our carbon footprint and dependence on fossil fuels. while covering the Sahara with solar panels remains a captivating idea. It's more practical to utilize solar energy in various sunny locations around the globe. Embracing solar power will lead us towards a greener, more sustainable future. Let's seize the potential of the sun and pave the way for a brighter tomorrow.